back to my channel, guys. So today we will learn how to get free certificate from Coursera by enrolling on their courses. So firstly, go to Google and search for coursera.org // so you will be directed to this page. Then if you have not made an account in it, then sign up. So I have already made an account and logged in. Firstly, I'll log out. Then if you don't have an account, then go to join for free. If you have an account, then log in. Then search for the course which you want. So suppose I search for Java programming. So this is the course. This is from Duke University. Go to this. So you can read all the specifications related to these courses and everything. So here is the option to enroll for free, but if you enroll in it, you will not get a certificate. You'll just have to pay. Then you will get certificate, not for free. So here it is written, enroll to start your 7-day full access free trial. So if you access this, then you will get the course for 7 days, but you won't get certificate, and after 7 days your course will expire. So go to financial aid available to get the course for free and certificate too. Then go to continue to the application. Then tick both these options. Then copy this and then paste here and continue. Now it will ask all your educational background and all. So you can write if you are from high school or doing some college degree, then you can write. And you can write your income as 0 as if you are a student. Then employment status, student, 0. So these are the questions which you have to fill. Now I'll show you the answers. So this is the link for getting the answers. So what you can do, just copy it and click on new tab and paste, and you will be directed to a Google page, and this link would be given in the description box of my channel on this video. So what you can do, see. So first question is, why are you applying for the financial aid? So here is the question. Just go here and just copy this. And paste it here. Then how will taking this course help you to achieve your career goals? Then take this answer, second one. And paste it here. Then would you consider loan? No loan. Now if you have answered no, please answer why. Now this is the answer for third one. So yeah guys, you can do this and get your financial aid. And the email you will receive after 15 days, that is 2 weeks after that, if that is your approved, is you are approved for the aid or not. And in this you can change your course and some of the things, so that you don't have to copy this completely, just change something, then go to submit application. You can read this. Today I have applied this for JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and at March 2021 I received an email from them. So yeah, by this you can do this and get your certificates. And yes, Coursera certificates are very valuable. You can add them on your CVs. So yeah, thank you for watching, and wait for my HTML, CSS and JavaScript course. So yeah, see you later. Thank you.